So moving on to the fourth problem, the question is integral of sin x into sine of cos x. So integral of sin x into sine of cos x. So here it is very clear that the first sign has the angle as x, whereas the second sign has angle as cos x. So what we can do is we'll substitute cos x as t. So when we substitute cos x as t, differentiating on both sides with respect to time, we get minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So sin x into dx, so can I say sin x into dx is dt. So the meaning is wherever cos x is there, we will replace it with t. Wherever you have sin x multiplied with dx, we'll replace it with dt. Now observe the question. Sin x into dx, we can write it as dt. Sin of cos x, in the place of cos x, we can write it as t. So the whole question will get converted as sin cos x, we can substitute t. Sin x into dx, we can write it as dt. So I hope it is clear. Now having said this, integral of sin is going to be minus cos. So minus cos t plus c will be the answer. T substitute the value of t. So it will be minus cos of cos x plus c. Right.